Hi, everybody, it's Ms.Salazar, and welcome to Math. So, today we're going to be talking about centimeters. Now, I think it was Monday that we talked about meters, and today we're going to talk about centimeters. Now, what is a centimeter? So, a centimeter is a unit of length, just like a meter. And remember that length, it measures distance, it measures how long something is. Now, the difference between the two, right? The difference between a centimeter and a meter is that meters measure long lengths. So, meters measure long lengths, and centimeters measure short lengths. So, if you're going to measure a book, if you're going to measure your notebook, a laptop, maybe even a poster, you can probably use a centimeter, right? Because those are short lengths. But if you're gonna measure your desk, if you're gonna measure your bed, if you're gonna measure, I don't know, let's say maybe a board, like a chalkboard, right? Or maybe a whiteboard, then you would use a meter because those things they're bigger objects and they're probably going to be longer. So that's why you use a meter. So you use meters to measure long lengths and you use centimeters to measure short lengths. Now, when we talk about centimeters, we write cm. And remember that when we talk about meters, we write the letter m. So when we talk about meters, we write the letter m. And when we talk about centimeters, we write cm. And we always start measuring at zero. Always. We always start measuring at zero. For example, the book is 18 centimeters long. And if you look over here, I started at zero and the book ends at 18. So the book is 18 centimeters long. Now, when we talk about centimeters, you're going to notice that the ruler might have two different kinds of lines. So when you look at the ruler, you have to look at the very, very small lines, and those are going to be your centimeters. Okay, so you have two videos that you need to watch in LMS. They're going to explain to you the difference between centimeter and meter. This is the video that explains that. And this video over here shows you how to measure objects, how to measure things using centimeters. Okay, so there you go. Both videos are in LMS. There you go, finally. Okay, so this is going to be your assessment. It's going to be the pages in your workbook, and you're going to send them to me to LMS and PDF. You have until the 20th to do that, and it's worth 10 points. If you have any questions, let me know. And also, check the video in LMS where I measure things using the ruler, using centimeters, okay? Hopefully, you guys understand. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember that the difference between centimeters and meters is that meters are used to measure very long lengths. So, if you have a bigger object, you're going to use a yard, right? A meter. And if you have objects that are kind of smaller, then you would use centimeters. So that would be all for today, okay? Bye, everybody. Remember, if you have any questions, let me know because this can be a little bit confusing.